If you felt a sudden surge of mental static, your heart is ready for a high frequency update. Hey there, this is Jojo from 7th Plane Healings and astrojo.com with your astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. In this episode, we'll be exploring Venus as Venus enters into Gemini, and this is happening on April the 24th, 2026 at 2:03 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And we are witnessing a powerful transition as the planet of values and connection hits the electric threshold of Uranus and the expansive depths of Pluto, and how these frequencies are shaping your inner world right now. But before we dive in, just a quick note. If you like to work with planetary frequencies, I've been creating personalized tuning fork alignments and frequency imprinted energy pendants that a lot of you have been asking about, so you'll find the links in the description if they resonate with you. And in this episode, you'll discover what these transits mean for your energy and emotional landscape, and how to work with the cosmic flow instead of against it. And then we'll drop into a planetary tuning fork Soundbath, which is designed to harmonize you with Gemini's airy communicative frequency. So settle in. This one is sharp, surprising, and mentally activating. And here's the astro breakdown. So the sky weather is shifting today as Venus moves into Gemini, sparking a need for mental variety and social coherence. Our objective is to anchor the nervous system so we can process the rapid surges of information without losing our grounded center. And we have Venus in a conjunction with Uranus. This is a sudden surge in your inner wiring. Feels like a buzz or a light static in the heart center. It's pushing for liberation from old, heavy social maps. And these tuning forks act as a bridge, helping your system find coherence in the midst of rapid change. We have Venus in a square with Neptune and Pallas Athena. This expansive tension hits the nervous system as a fog or a subtle softening that can feel like a lack of boundaries. It's a call to find your inner authority when the external world feels misty or overwhelming. And these frequencies provides a stable container to settle the static. We have Venus in a trine with Pluto and Juno. This is deep, harmonious flow that anchors your senses of power and partnership. Feels like a heavy grounding or a settling deep into the body, allowing your system to stand in its truth and absolute stability. And we have Venus in a sextile with the Moon and semi-sextile Chiron. And these aspects bring a gentle recalibration to your emotional landscape. It feels like a release of a long-held breath. It's a softening of the heart that allows for subtle healing and a steady, calm resonance. So let's align with these frequencies. If you'd like to join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Just take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath. Just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequency of the spheres. And our affirmation is, I welcome new connection grounded in my inner authority and clear truth. I welcome new connections grounded in my inner authority and clear truth. So just take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, just feeling balance and harmony within. And if you would like your own personal planetary tuning fork alignments, which is specific to your own natal chart, your current transits, or your solar return chart, you will find the links in the description, or visit astrojo.com, or reach out to me. They make great birthday gift ideas for different, unusual gifts. And if you're curious about my ATTUNE Coherent Pendant, it is hand wound copper bifiller coil, and it is cut to the length of the sacred cubit. Resonates 144 hertz, the coil, and it's imprinted with supportive frequencies, and so the whole pendant has holographic material where rife frequencies and other frequencies are imprinted using scalar field technology. And you can find out more at seventhplanehealings.com, or reach out to me. It is designed to hold a stable, coherent field that travels with you. And thank you for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me, and it keeps you in the loop of more weekly astrosonic journeys. And there's also a Spotify version, which is available if you prefer to listen through Spotify. And so let's tune into the universe together.